Hả?
The cordless portable airless sprayer operates cordlessly, giving you the freedom to move effortlessly around your workspace without limitations. Powered by a lithium battery, this sprayer ensures a reliable and consistent power source. Enjoy the convenience of long-lasting battery life, allowing you to tackle extensive painting tasks without interruptions. The ergonomic handheld backpack design ensures maximum comfort during extended painting sessions. The lightweight and compact form factor make it easy to carry, providing ultimate portability and maneuverability. Achieve professional-grade results with the high-pressure paint spraying capabilities of this machine. Whether you're working on walls, furniture, or other surfaces, the Airless technology delivers a flawless finish with even coverage. Transform the way you approach painting projects with the cordless portable airless sprayer. The combination of cordless
Hả?
freedom, lithium battery power, professional high-pressure capabilities, and user-friendly design makes this machine an indispensable tool for painters of all skill levels. Upgrade to the future of painting technology and elevate the efficiency and quality of your work.